whether in your life or in my life. But are the words exalting Jesus?
Stand in front of people and you are not prepared, it's going to be difficult.
Exactly.
Usually you deliver something that is substandard most of the time because of that. Now I've also seen it much when it comes to music. When it comes to people who are leading, music. So you touched about it, but let's talk about it more, especially the discipline.
Personal worship time. When you're thinking about new songs and things, that you don't need to necessarily research to try and write a song. Once you're in the process and you've got that place where you've got something that you want to do, it is good to prepare and to practice it and to have it ready so that you can do something. But also, like what Jonathan was saying, preparation and practice gives room for
you're letting God to use you, to minister to the people, to say what you want to say. That is more like
God gave
you don't
Abraham's best that he gave, right? In the same way that we give our best. But